Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most important topics for anyone investing or trading cryptocurrency in 2025: regulated and licensed crypto exchanges. The crypto market has changed massively over the past 2 years. Governments in the USA, Canada, Europe, and major global markets are heavily focusing on compliance, security, investor protection, and transparent trading environments. Because of this, regulated platforms have become the safest and most trusted way for beginners and professionals to buy and trade crypto. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the top fully regulated and licensed crypto exchanges in 2025, the best of the best. These are exchanges that are licensed, compliant, secure, audited, transparent, beginner-friendly, trusted in USA and Canada. And to keep this video clean and highly valuable, we're only focusing on 3 exchanges that truly stand above the rest. Let's begin. 1. Coinbase, best for USA beginners and institutional-grade security. When it comes to regulated crypto platforms in the United States, Coinbase is still the gold standard in 2025. Coinbase is fully regulated, publicly listed on the NASDAQ, and operates under strict U.S. financial laws. For American and Canadian users, this platform remains the safest and most transparent way to buy, sell, and store crypto. Why Coinbase is trusted in USA and Canada? 1. Fully regulated in the United States. Coinbase is one of the only exchanges that complies with U.S. SEC, FinCEN, and state-level laws. This adds a massive layer of safety for anyone in North America. 2. Publicly traded company. As a NASDAQ-listed company, Coinbase must publish quarterly earnings, audits, and financial statements. No other global crypto exchanges have this level of transparency. 3. FDIC-backed USD balances. Cash balances. USD held on Coinbase are FDIC-insured up to legal limits, a huge advantage for U.S. citizens. 4. World-class security. Coinbase holds over 90% of customer assets in cold storage, uses multi-layer security, and has never had a major hack affecting user funds. 5. Easiest interface for beginners. Simple layout, smooth deposits, fast withdrawals, perfect for beginners and experienced traders. 6. Strong reputation in North America. Coinbase is widely recognized by American banks, regulators, lawmakers, and financial institutions. Who should use Coinbase? Beginners, long-term investors, users who value safety, North American traders, people who want a highly regulated platform. Coinbase remains the top choice for safety, compliance, and simplicity. 2. Kraken, best for security, advanced trading, and U.S.-Canadian compliance. Next, we have Kraken, a platform known for its exceptional regulatory strength and extremely strong security record. Where Coinbase focuses on simplicity, Kraken focuses on professional-grade trading tools and top-tier security while still being fully compliant across the USA and Canada. Why Kraken is one of the safest exchanges in 2025? 1. Regulated in the USA and Canada. Kraken operates legally in almost all U.S. states and provinces across Canada, including FINTRAC registration and compliance with strict local laws. 2. One of the strongest security records. Kraken consistently ranks as one of the most secure crypto exchanges in the world, with no major breaches in its history. 3. Advanced trading features. Spot trading, futures, in eligible regions, margin, staking, where regulation allows, deep liquidity. Perfect for users who want more than simple buy-sell. 4. Transparent proof of reserves. Kraken conducts audits showing user assets are fully backed, something many exchanges do not provide. 5. Strong reputation among long-term traders. Kraken is widely trusted among professional U.S. traders due to its regulatory honesty and conservative business approach. Who should use Kraken? Traders who prioritize security, users who want advanced tools. Canadians, Kraken is highly accepted there. People who want cold storage-grade protection. Investors who avoid risky offshore exchanges. If your number one priority is security, Kraken is unmatched. 3. Gemini. Best for institutional safety and regulatory protection. The third platform on our list is Gemini, founded in the USA and known for its extremely strict regulatory approach. Gemini is one of the few platforms that operates under NYDFS oversight in New York, one of the strictest financial regulatory environments in the world. Why Gemini is trusted in 2025. 1. New York Regulated Exchange. Gemini is licensed under the NYDFS license, which requires strict audits, capital reserve requirements, consumer protection policies, cybersecurity regulations. This makes it one of the most compliance-heavy crypto exchanges in the world. 2. SEC-level transparency. Gemini undergoes regular audits and publishes strong compliance statements, appealing to institutional investors. 3. Fund protection. User assets are kept separate from company funds, reducing risk. 4. Professional-grade security. Gemini has a history of operating securely with multi-layer cold storage, HSM modules, SOC certifications, strong cybersecurity protocols. 5. Popular in New York, California, and Canada. Because of its strict licensing, Gemini is popular among traders in highly regulated states like New York, and Canadian users trust it for the same reason. Who should use Gemini? Users who want maximum regulatory oversight. Investors in strict U.S. states. People who prefer institutions over offshore platforms. Long-term crypto holders. Gemini is a top choice for those who want a platform built around compliance and trust. Which exchange should you choose? Quick summary. For beginners, Coinbase. Safe, simple, trusted, beginner-friendly. For long-term investors and security-focused traders, Kraken. Extremely secure plus advanced tools. For maximum regulation and strict oversight, Gemini. NYDFS-regulated plus excellent transparency. No matter which one you choose, these 3 exchanges are the safest places to trade crypto in 2025, especially for viewers in the USA and Canada. Before we wrap up this breakdown, it's important to understand why regulated exchanges matter more than ever in 2025, especially for users in the United States and Canada. Over the past several years, regulators across North America have significantly tightened their oversight of cryptocurrency platforms, mainly because millions of new retail investors entered the market and began treating digital assets as part of their long-term financial planning. This shift created a major divide between regulated exchanges and offshore, unlicensed platforms. While offshore exchanges may offer more coins or slightly lower fees, they usually operate without U.S. or Canadian oversight, meaning users have no legal protection, no FDIC insurance, and no guarantee that customer funds are fully backed. Many people learned this the hard way after the collapses of FTX, Voyager, Celsius, and multiple smaller offshore platforms. This is exactly why Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini have become the top choices in 2025. These exchanges follow strict compliance standards, maintain audited reserves, publish transparency reports, and work directly with regulators instead of trying to avoid them. They are required by law to meet financial reporting standards much closer to traditional banks and brokerages, which gives users significantly more security. In the United States, regulators like the SEC, CFTC, FINRA, and FINCEN have all increased scrutiny on crypto activities. Platforms that do not follow the rules face lawsuits, shutdowns, and trading restrictions. Meanwhile, regulated platforms like Coinbase and Kraken continue to operate normally because their entire structure is built around legal compliance. This stability is extremely valuable for investors who want to avoid surprises. In Canada, authorities like FinTrack and provincial regulators have introduced strong guidelines requiring exchanges to meet trading, custody, and consumer protection standards. Because of this, Canadian users now overwhelmingly prefer platforms that hold proper licensing, segregate client assets, and follow security protocols like cold storage and multi-signature protection. Gemini and Kraken, in particular, are highly trusted in major provinces like Ontario, British Columbia, and Alberta because they meet these standards cleanly. Another major advantage of regulated exchanges is fund transparency. Many offshore platforms do not reveal how much crypto they actually hold. Regulated platforms are required to perform proof of reserves audits, publish internal security processes, and verify customer asset backing. This gives users confidence that their holdings are safe and that the exchange is not lending customer funds behind the scenes. And for beginners, the benefits are even more important. Regulated exchanges provide clearer interfaces, stronger customer support, accurate tax documentation, straightforward deposit methods, and easier withdrawal processes. This level of simplicity and trust is one of the main reasons U.S. banks partner with exchanges like Coinbase and Gemini, partnerships that offshore exchanges simply cannot get. Finally, as crypto continues to integrate with traditional finance, regulated exchanges will play the biggest role in connecting digital assets with real-world global markets. Whether it's crypto ETFs, on-chain interest products, where legally allowed, or secure multi-asset portfolios, regulated platforms are leading future innovation, not avoiding responsibility. In short, these three exchanges aren't just safe options. They are the only truly reliable long-term choices for users in North America who want to trade crypto responsibly in 2025 and beyond. And that wraps up the top fully regulated and licensed crypto exchanges in 2025. If you want to trade safely, securely, and with full regulatory protection, these three platforms give you everything you need, especially if you're located in the USA or Canada. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, comment, "Which exchange do you use?" and make sure to subscribe for more safe trading guides in 2025. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay smart, and trade responsibly.